Look at the picture. You can see here rock cycle. Metaformic rock, look, magma, igneous rock, sedimentary rock and sediments. Now we will discuss about rocks and minerals. The earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock. There are three major types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metaformic rock. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid rock. Thus formed are called igneous rocks. Look at the picture. See magma. This is a magma. When magma is in a solid form, that is called igneous rock. They are also called primary rock. There are two types of igneous rock: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. Lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, basalt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form a large grains. Granite is an example of such a rock. Grinding stones used to prepare paste, powder of spices and grains are made of granite. Rocks roll down, crack and hit each other, and they are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rock. These type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Like sandstone is made from grain of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metaformic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Rocks are very useful to us. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, buildings. You use stones in many games like 7 stones, pittu, जिसे बोलते हो, hopscotch. One type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. What's the picture? You have already learned when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. These igneous rocks are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rocks. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into मेटाफॉर्मिक रॉक्स. दैट मीन्स जब igneous rock को pressure and heat, then it can change, they change into another rock, that is metaformic rocks. The metaformic rocks which are still under great heat, उसे और भी heat दो and pressure, then melt down होके to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rock. So that is a rock cycle. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and defined chemical composition. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels, for example coal, natural gas and petroleum. They are also used in industries, iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. In medicine, in fertilizer.